Got it all primed up. Self-etching primer. Stripped. Primed. Got all the old paint off of it. Top side. I'll go ahead and shoot it today. Put about 3 coats. Here's what I like to spray paint with. It's probably my favorite. VHT's roll bar and chassis. No primer. Rust and corrosion resistant. Roll and Nerf bars, frame, suspension, whatever you want to paint. This is satin black. Get it at O'Reilly's. That's going to be covered anyway, but the reason I like this satin black, it's not super shiny. I feel like gloss black looks cheap. This is kind of closer to what I think factory should be. Let's give it a spray. I got to get this foam off here. My plan will be to wrap this in my own foam using spray adhesive, let that get tacky, and then I'll wrap that in vinyl. But everywhere I need that foam to stick, especially these edges, like that looks pretty good. It's clean. But this, it rubs right off of your fingers. I'll hit it with the wire brush, make it look a little better. Alright, made it back. Special attention to keep all the edges clean. It's not perfectly clean, it doesn't have to be. It'll be fine. With a little piece I can pull off. But inside there's where it's going to glue. Want that to be good. Good. And I'll hop over and get my foam. This is just 1/2-inch seat foam that I bought off Amazon. I'll cut a small piece and make myself a dash pan. Here we go. 3M spray adhesive. I like to hit everywhere that I'm going to spray, everywhere I want to glue. Spray the pad, spray the foam, spray the dash also, and let it get tacky in it. So, see what happens. Does not have to be perfect. Might wait a minute. It's pretty tacky. I want to roll that ridge, make it even all the way across. Start coming up again, that's fine. Dash pad. Guaranteed to look better than a giant hole in the dash. And I can save that $150 for a nitrous kit maybe. Unless somebody wants to donate me one. Donations are accepted. Time to go ahead and start wrapping. Stuff usually stretches really well. Got this flip back over, got my dash pad bolted up real quick. I'm going to use this rust treatment from Permatex, and basically it turns into like a black primer. So I've seen these dashes before that this rotted all the way through because of the water and moisture just hangs out in there. So I'm going to paint this on, try to save it a few more years and help my car out.